Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Are you sad? Are you angry? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Are you happy? Yes? Me too. Today I'm very happy. Today we're going to read a story, sing some songs, and make an umbrella. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Hello boys and girls! Today we are going to make an umbrella. To make the umbrella you need coffee filters, markers and water. So first you take a coffee filter like this and you color. For example, the green, you can do some zigzag, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you can continue with the yellow. You can do some circles. Very nice. And you continue. And when you finish, something like this. It will look like this. Lots of colors. And now we do the magic part. Put it on the paper. Take the water. And we're going to squish, 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 squish. Wow. Look, boys and girls, the colors go together and it makes a beautiful umbrella. To finish the umbrella, we can color like this, the handle. It's an umbrella. Beautiful. And when do we use an umbrella? Umbrella is when it's rainy. Very good, it's rainy. So we can do an experiment with the rain. Here I have some water. Just tidy up a little bit. Have some water and shaving foam. I'm going to put the shaving foam on the water. Oops. Fantastic. And the shaving foam is the cloud. The cloud. And here, boys and girls, I have the rain. The rain. It's blue rain. I'm going to put the rain on the clouds. Okay, can you see clearly? We're going to put the rain down the clouds. Look, it's raining. Pitter patter, I can hear the rain. Pitter patter, I can hear the rain. Ooh, I can hear the rain. Ooh, I can hear the rain. Fantastic. Bye-bye.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hello, boys and girls. My name is Fred the dog. Ruff. How are you today? Me too. I'm very excited for the class. I wonder what we will learn today. Where's my friend? Psst, 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 psst. Ah, hi Zach. How are you today? All excited? We're all excited for the class today. Today, we are going to learn about the weather. Yes? Are you very excited, Zog? Oh no! What was that noise? It's Sarah Jane! Quick, run and hide! Run, 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 run! Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I'm very happy because we're going to sing a song about the weather. Are you ready? Let's go! How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? Is it snowing? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it raining today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowing today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? Is it snowing? How's the weather today? Well done, boys and girls. How is the weather today? Let's see. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy? Or is it snowing? What do you think? Well done, boys and girls. It is sunny today. It's very sunny, but it's a little bit cold today as well. So we need to remember to wear our jackets. Okay, I hope you've had lots of fun, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello boys and girls, it's Jessica and today we're going to read a story. Are you ready? Are you sitting comfortably? Okay, let's go. The story is called Shh, We Have a Plan. Look, a bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Tiptoe slowly, tiptoe slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready one, ready two, ready three, go! Oh no. Look, up there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Climbing slowly, climbing slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready one, ready two, ready three, go! Look. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Paddling slowly, paddling slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready one, ready two, ready three, Go! Hello, birdie. Would you like some bread? 1, 2, 3. Look! Wow, a lot of birds. Ready 1, ready 2, ready. Oh! Run away! Oh no! Look! A squirrel! Shh! We have a plan. The end. I hope you liked the story, boys and girls. Bye for now.
Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I've got an idea. Do you like eggs? I like eggs. Do you like tomatoes? I like tomatoes. Eggs and tomatoes. Let's make a mushroom. A mushroom with eggs and tomatoes? Yes. Come on, let's go. First, cook the eggs for 10 minutes. When the eggs are cooked, take off the shells. Then, cut your tomato in half. Like this. Cut some lettuce. That's the grass. Put the lettuce on the plate. With some sticks, I'm going to put the top of the tomato on the egg. And look, it's a mushroom. That's 2 mushrooms. 3 mushrooms. And 4 mushrooms. And now, with mayonnaise, I'm going to put spots on the mushrooms. Like this. And finally, if you want to, you can decorate it with some ham. That's how you make mushrooms from eggs and tomatoes. Bye!
Okay, boys and girls, it's time to say bye-bye. Did you have a good class today? Did you enjoy the activities with Jessica and Sarah Jane? Fantastic. So now let's sing bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, I hope that you had fun. Goodbye, boys and girls, goodbye, boys and girls. Goodbye, boys and girls, goodbye, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls, bye-bye. See you later.